Hello, Milano World explorers. Today, we're embarking on a captivating journey to a land where history is etched in its landscapes and a rich culture unfolds amidst lush greenery. Belarus. I'm thrilled to be your guide as we uncover the enigmatic beauty of this Eastern European gem. Let's step into the timelessness of Belarus. As we arrive in Belarus, the lungs of Europe, the scenery is nothing short of breathtaking. Vast forests, mirror-like lakes, and the captivating blend of modernity and tradition set the stage for our exploration. Our journey begins in the capital city, Minsk, where modern elegance meets a rich historical backdrop. The cityscape is adorned with contemporary architecture, while landmarks like Independence Square and the National Library echo the stories of Belarus's resilience and heritage. Traveling back in time, we explore the UNESCO-listed gems of Maya Castle and Nesvizd Halas. These architectural masterpieces, surrounded by enchanting gardens, take us on a journey through Belarus's royal past and the grandeur of its noble history. Venturing into Belarus Forest, one of Europe's last and largest primeval forests, we encounter a sanctuary of biodiversity. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to the European bison, symbolizing the nation's commitment to conservation. Discover the soul of Belarus in its charming villages. The wooden architecture, colorful houses, and the warm hospitality of the locals provide a glimpse into the authenticity of Belarusian rural life. Escape to the tranquility of Braslaw Lakes, a landscape of captivating beauty with its interconnected lakes, rolling hills, and vibrant greenery. This pristine region is a haven for nature lovers and those seeking serenity. Immerse yourself in the rich folklore of Belarus during Kupala night. This midsummer celebration is marked by traditional rituals, bonfires, and folk festivities that connect Belarusians with their cultural roots. Savor the flavors of Belarusian cuisine, where hearty dishes like draniki potato pancakes and kolduni dumplings showcase the country's agricultural bounty and culinary traditions. The local markets offer a vibrant tapestry of fresh produce and traditional treats. As our exploration of Belarus concludes on Milano World, I hope you've been captivated by the timeless beauty, rich culture, and warm hospitality of this Eastern European gem. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow travel enthusiasts, and subscribe for more global adventures. I'm signing off from Milano World. Until our next journey, do svidaniya and happy travels.